Let's make moist chocolate cake.
In a bowl, add in your dry ingredients, starting with your flour. Then you add in your cocoa powder. As you know, you are making a chocolate cake. Then you mix it together. Ensure they are well combined. And don't forget to sieve your flour before using. Then next, you add in your sugar. Then your vegetable oil. After which you add in your egg. Then you whisk this ingredient together, but don't forget to add in your baking powder and baking soda. I'm adding mine now because I forgot to sieve them together with the flour. Then next you add in your milk and you whisk them together. Ensure they are well combined together so that you don't tend to have, some bubbles of flour when your cake is baked. So you keep on whisking till it's properly mixed and well combined. Next, you add in your hot coffee, as adding in your hot coffee will help enhance the chocolate flavor in your chocolate cake. Then you whisk it into it, or you can even use your spatula for this because it's chocolate cake. It doesn't need much mixing. And this recipe will take you nothing less than 6 minutes to prep your ingredients. While after mixing properly, you ensure your baking pan is actually ready. That is, you grease your pan, then you lay parchment paper in it, as this will enable your cake to easily come out from the baking pan, especially if you don't want your cake to be cracked or come out broken while it's already baked. Then you pour in your batter in the pan. I'm a chocolate cake lover, so I'm going to scrape off everything into my pan. Then you tap your pan a couple of times so as to release every trapped air in it. Then you bake for between 45 minutes to 1 hour at 170 degrees. Though you check at intervals, but not so early. Then your cake is ready. This is actually a very easy recipe you can try at home, and you would actually enjoy it if you're a chocolate cake lover. And this one is actually very, 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 very moist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back to my channels for more videos. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe also.